How to manage language for buttons on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage language for buttons on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and then go down and click settings and privacy, and now click settings and go down until you find here uh, this one, language and region, and here you will find language for buttons, titles and other text from Facebook. Just click on it and then change it to any language you want, and then just go back and it will be saved. And that's how to manage language for buttons on Facebook mobile. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.